If you're an iPhone 12 user, you need to know these quick fixes for a freezing phone. Here's why your iPhone 12 might keep freezing. First up, software issues. A glitch in the operating system or an app can cause freezing. Keep that iOS updated to squash bugs and boost performance. Next, check your storage. If your internal storage is almost full, your device can slow down and freeze. Too many background apps? Having a lot of apps running in the background can also cause issues. Close those you're not using. Low on battery? Plug it in. Sometimes certain apps might be incompatible with your software. Uninstall any recent downloads if issues started around that time. And don't forget hardware. Severe issues might need a trip to the Apple Store. Lastly, check your screen protector in case. They could be making your touchscreen unresponsive. So, restart your iPhone, check for updates, and clear out unused apps and files. Your iPhone 12 will be running smoothly in no time.